Welcome to the final part of our San Francisco walking tour. Today, we explore the storied hills, the vibrant counterculture, and the breathtaking natural beauty of the city's west side. We begin at Alamo Square, home to the Painted Ladies. This row of colorful Victorian houses is one of the most photographed scenes in the world, perfectly contrasting the city's historic charm with its modern skyline. The detailed craftsmanship of these homes is a testament to the city's architectural heritage, standing beautifully through over a century of change. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. A short walk away, we enter Haight-Ashbury, the birthplace of the 1960s counterculture movement and the famous Summer of Love. The spirit of the 60s lives on here in the eclectic boutiques, vintage shops, and the colorful street art that adorns every corner. We then find sanctuary in Golden Gate Park, an urban oasis larger than New York's Central Park, stretching all the way to the Pacific Ocean. Within its borders lies the Japanese Tea Garden, the oldest of its kind in the United States, offering paths of quiet reflection and timeless beauty. Stowe Lake is the heart of the park, where you can find peace among the cypress trees, or hike up to the waterfall at the top of Strawberry Hill. The park is also a hub of science and art, featuring the innovative living roof of the California Academy of Sciences and the striking copper facade of the DeYoung Museum. Emerging from the park, we reach the edge of the continent at Ocean Beach. It's a place of raw beauty, where the city meets the vastness of the Pacific. Perched on the cliffs are the ruins of the Sutro Baths, once a grand indoor swimming complex, now a hauntingly beautiful landmark reclaimed by nature. The nearby cliff house has stood as a sentinel over the gate for generations, offering dramatic views of the rugged coastline. Walking the trails of Land's End, you'll find some of the most spectacular and hidden vistas in all of San Francisco. The Palace of the Legion of Honor sits majestically above the cliffs, a piece of Paris in the heart of San Francisco's most beautiful forest. To finish our journey, we climb to the geographical center of the city, the summit of Twin Peaks. From here, the entire city unfolds beneath you, a tapestry of hills, fog, and light that defines the magic of San Francisco. Thank you for joining us on this three-part tour of the city by the bay. We hope you've fallen in love with San Francisco just as we have. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.